All right, here it is, the chair. So I've been needing an office chair because my last chair, it was pretty comfortable. It was actually a Sealy chair and it worked really well for plenty of years. But you know, starts to fade away and the plastic leather, whatever it is, starts to peel away and it got really annoying. So I figured it's time for a new chair. I went out, sat down in this chair and I thought, oh, feels good. It feels good on my back. So I went with it. I bought it. And here it is. We're going to talk about it. But before we do, make sure you guys like and subscribe because it really does help the algorithms. And I'm trying to get it monetized, so we've got to get it to 1,000 people. So please subscribe. Other than that, enjoy. Looks like a race car chair. Yeah, it's a gamer chair. And the actual moving centerpiece is actually attachatory, so I don't have to mess with that. More plastics. This looks to be aluminum or steel. Looks to be steel, so steel base plate. Holy moly, that is a lot of parts. And some cheap wheels. We might upgrade that. Covers for the armchair, the arms. This is the reclining mechanism. And the final piece, the cushion. All right, let's put it together. I'm gonna open this up and read through the instructions. Yeah, right. I'm just gonna try to figure it out. Everything looks like it could be actually put together with just the exact Allen wrench that they send you, so kudos, that's awesome. Wheels seem kind of cheap, so we may upgrade those. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in just to show you why I like this chair so much. When I first sat in it, I thought, oh, man, I gotta try this. This is gonna be great for my back. Look, it actually moves. The actual lumbar goes up, down, side to side quite a bit. So as you move, it kind of moves with you, and it feels great. Look at that, so much movement. The armrest here, they actually do go up and down, obviously. They twist in and out. You can also push them forward and back. And there's actually a lever on the right side that actually pushes it forward or back, just like a car. Well, an 80s car anyway. There it is. I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna try this for a couple days. We'll get back to you in just a little bit. Just so you guys know, I actually paid for this chair full price. I didn't get any discounts. I didn't get a free chair. I got no sponsorships at all. So this is just me buying the chair and letting you guys know what I think, just because I always want to know, or I look for reviews on items I want to buy. Okay, so don't mind the mic, but look at this. Moves up and down, side to side. It goes all the way around. It's just like a little plastic piece that kind of sticks forward, and there's something in front of it, obviously, that kind of helps it pivot. But that is super comfortable. I really like it. So that's great. But because of the material, you guys might have noticed this. Yeah, it's pretty loud. With more weight on it, every time you move. It's a little annoying, so I'm gonna try to put some like leather conditioning materials and stuff on it to see if maybe that helps. If not, I'll try some other stuff. But yeah, I do hear that a lot as I sit and work. Feel kind of royal. Just a little bit. It's nice and tall. And every time I move, this thing just moves along with it. It's rather comfortable. Now, I do find myself actually doing this a bit. And I'll tell you why. The back support, the lumbar support actually pushes forward a little bit. So it's perfect for your, like, kind of pushing against it and kind of cracking your back. I never thought I would actually do this, but I find myself pushing this forward and turning it in a lot so I can actually type. I never thought about that. Never even crossed my mind. Pretty great. Of course, you have the lever on the side here to recline, and it does recline pretty well. That's about max right there. The material is kind of a fake leather, so it's gonna give out eventually, but I imagine it's gonna last a long time, maybe like 5-7 years, so it'll do well. This kind of does look like carbon fiber on the side here, which is kind of neat. Obviously it's not. They did a really great job on the stitching. It's pretty flawless. I bought this chair because I actually felt like when I sat in it, it really helped my back. And my lower back kind of hurts because, of course, I've been doing stuff like lifting things the wrong way since I was a kid, and you guys know. So yeah, it hurts. And so whenever I find a chair or something that just feels nice or feels like it helps, I do it. I grab it. $400 is a lot. It is, but what the heck? Where you sleep and where you sit all day, you got to invest in those things. So, and so far, I like it. It's a little annoying because of the sound, as you guys can hear, but I'll deal with it. You know, I'll figure out how to get rid of that sound. The armrests are actually pretty nice. I love the fact that they actually turn in because I can grab my keyboard and my mouse, and it feels good. It feels comfortable. While I was actually doing the research for this chair, I did find that Costco had one that was probably similar. All the local Costco's around here do not actually have it in stock, so you have to order it. So if you guys are familiar with it, let me know if you've tried it, how it works for you. Let us all know down in the comments. So I'm pretty happy with this so far. The only thing is I do kind of cross my legs sometimes, and when I cross my legs, it's kind of hard to kind of do everything because of that little extra cushion so you don't slide side to side, which is kind of like a race car thing, so it's strange, but whatever. I really only do it when I'm sitting on my computer for a long time and I just need to shift or move or do something, so it's try not to do that. Maybe what I can start doing instead of that is get up and walk for a few minutes, so it's probably a better idea. In conclusion, it's a great chair. It's not the perfect chair because, I mean, that can be different, right? This is a gamer chair. Some people don't need a gamer chair, don't want a gamer chair. Some people prefer a flat chair, so there's different needs for everybody. But for what I need, I think this is a great chair. And the most important part is my back, and it has a great support and it moves along with me, and that's kind of magical for me. So I decided to give it a shot, and I think I made the right decision. So I like it. I'm pretty comfortable with it. I'll give you guys an update on the notes. So today is July 21st, 2022. So in a few months, I'll drop a comment and I'll pin it to the top, and I'll make sure I update you guys on what the chair is like and how it's feeling and what it's doing, and if it starts peeling or anything starts happening, I'll let you know. So thanks guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.